Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually change the username of your Reddit account. Now this will be the display name, so it's the name what people see when they look onto your Reddit profile. It's a very easy process. I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, but it's the same step on the browser version of Reddit. Now the first step, of course, open up your mobile application, grab Reddit, and from there you can see your home feed. Now what you want to do, probably what you will do, is from there open up the top right corner your profile, head down to the settings, and from there try to actually change it through the account settings. But as you can see, there's no option. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the top right corner where your profile appears, and from there open up your profile manually. Now here you see your profile, and in the top right corner you see a little edit button. Now press this, and as you can see right here, you can change your display name. Now your display name will be displayed to viewers of your profile page, and this does not change your username, but it will actually hide your current username and make it different for people to see. Now here you can also leave a little about section. Now it is easy as that. Now from there it will be saved to your Reddit profile and your name will be changed. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.